My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here, welcome back. So today I am going to do a little haul video and a really fast sped up get ready with me makeup video. So you're going to see this look in really fast forward motion, just because that's not really what the video was going to be about. It wasn't about my makeup. Primarily it was going to be about the little hauls that I wanted to show you. It's nothing major, just a little shoe haul from Payless. And when I went to my trip to LA, I went shopping at Ross for a dress, and I ended up finding some other little goodies that I want to show you. So I won't show you the dresses or anything at this point. Yeah, no, I don't think I'll do that. I think what I'll do is I'll show you the other little accessories that I bought for my beauty room. Oh, and I also wanted to let you know that I'll be putting up a vlog really soon of my whole trip to LA. I vlogged all the way from the house to the airport, to the hotel, and to the filming site, and back. So I'll be putting all that together here in the next few days, and I'll have that up shortly. But yeah, so for those of y'all that don't know what I'm talking about, I made a trip to LA to be a part of a documentary called Gray is the New Blonde, where we can inspire and encourage each other to embrace our gray hair and to not feel ashamed that our grays are growing in, that we're getting older. We need to embrace it, encourage each other, and yeah, gray is beautiful. Silver is beautiful. I think so anyway. I met a bunch of lovely ladies, and yeah, it was so much fun. You'll see the whole thing. Filming was awesome. Everybody made us feel comfortable. Then we went and took a long break, and we went to the Grove and had lunch and walked around and did some vlogging and stuff. So yeah, I made a group of awesome lady friends, and we're gonna stay Silver Sisters forever. Yay! Alrighty, so that's what you'll be seeing next. Anyway, meanwhile, enjoy the rest of this video. I'm going to insert the get ready with me makeup that I'm gonna speed up really fast, because it's not really about the makeup I'm wearing today. I mainly wanted this video to be about the haul that I wanted to show you. Just two little hauls. One from Payless, because you know me, I like to shop at Walmart, I like to shop at Payless, I like to shop at bargain places, and I also shopped at Ross when I was going and looking for a dress for the LA trip. So yeah, I found some accessories, and so that I want to show you the accessories. Maybe I'll show you the dresses a different time. Alrighty guys, enjoy. Oh, I was going to tell you, the footage of the haul video I'm going to do on my cell phone, so you'll notice a difference from this to the actual haul clips that you'll see. Alright, enjoy. Okay, so this is my finished look. I hope you liked it. And I know it was in fast forward, but this wasn't supposed to be the main part of my video. Anyway, I'm going to show you a little haul from Payless and from Ross, like I said earlier. Alrighty, I'm going to do my hair. I'm going to put in a few extensions, and yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're going to get started with our little haul. Yay! Oh, I also wanted to let you know that today is mine and Adam's 12th year anniversary. Yay! We know each other so well. We're so comfortable with each other. It's awesome. So if you watch this, Adam, happy anniversary.
Happy
anniversary! That was my daughter. She just walked by with Petrova. So anyway, the reason I went to Payless is because I needed a new pair of these. I'm sure everyone has a pair of these. Y'all probably have the real ones. I just have the Payless version of them. But I love these. I love walking around the house in these. They're like $9 or so. So yeah, I love these. I needed a new pair. My other ones were the bottoms here, because I wear them outside too, which I'm not going to do that with these. These are just going to be indoor house shoes. They got cracked and stuff, and this starts to get all ugly and stuff. But yeah, these were on sale for $9.99. Normally $24.99 it says. See? Normally $24.99. So yay, got a steal. You know Payless. BOGO. I love BOGO. So I ended up getting 4 pairs of shoes, because you buy a pair and you get the second pair half off. So alright, so this was my first thing. And then I was not planning on getting tennis shoes, but these are so pretty. I love these, and I love that you don't have to tie them. They're just slip-ons. See, this has an elastic right here, so it's just slip-ons. Yay! They were on sale for $19, but I'm not sure which one of these I got half off. I don't remember, but yeah, everything was buy one, get one half off. But most of the stuff I did buy was already on sale anyway, so awesome! But aren't these just cute? So that I can go walking around the block here and get my exercise, so that my Gear S leaves me alone. When I sit too long, if I'm editing or something, it says, okay, time to get moving. So yeah, I love this color. This color is all throughout my kitchen. My favorite color is pink, hence my beauty room / craft room. But my second new favorite color is this color. It's so pretty. It's like a Tiffany blue color, so that's what I have in my kitchen. It's an all-white kitchen with blue all around. So there's that. And I have a Christian Siriano bag, and I just needed some black simple pumps. So I went and got these, and they're just nothing extraordinary or anything, but they look really cute on. They make your leg look sexy. So yeah, I went and got some Christian Siriano shoes. I don't know how much they were. I think they were originally $24. Got them on sale, of course. Okay, next. I'm going to make this kind of fast, because I think the makeup portion of this video was a little bit long. So next are just your regular, I don't know how do you say it, Fioni shoes from Payless. So these are so gorge. They're so beautiful. Yay! I wore these to LA with my dress from Ross. So yeah, and they were actually pretty comfortable. I did end up changing before we went to the Grove into some leggings and a sweater dress and some gold flip-flops. But yeah, aren't these fabulous? Beautiful. See, they've already been used. I've already worn them. Uh-oh, my cat just got into my Fioni box. She thinks everything is for her. Alright, she just got out. Yay, I can put my stuff away. Alright, so the next thing, when we went to Ross to go shop for the LA trip, I'm always looking for something to beautify the backdrop of my craft room or of my beauty room. And so I've been looking for blingy stuff. So I still have to put blingy stuff in here, but this stuff that I'm going to show you is probably going to go right here on this table. First thing that I fell in love with was this beauty. OMG. Is this not gorge? So beautiful. And it was only $15.99. To me, that's a steal, because this looks like it could be $100 and upwards if you were to shop for it somewhere else. So awesome. See? $15.99. I love it. So I'll put flowers in it and I'll have it right up there and you'll see it in the backdrop soon. Next thing I've been wanting are, hi there hashtag, do you want to be on camera? You need your time too, don't you? Alright, so the next thing I've been looking for are beautiful, gorgeous, chunky candlestick holders. And so I found some. Yes, look, I found a pair of these. Yay! They're gorgeous. I'm in love. And I have some fake candles that look real that kind of just flicker so that doesn't cause a fire or anything. So I'm going to use those on here. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can find them. So I would probably put one of the short ones, let me see. I'll just show you what one of them looks like. So it flickers, and yeah, well you can't really see it because of the lighting. I've got so much light in here, but yeah, gorgeous. And so these were only, where's the price? Were only $9.99. So I know that it's 10 bucks each, but that's a steal in my opinion because these look so expensive and so pretty, and it's exactly what I was looking for. So yeah, you'll be seeing those in the backdrop soon too. The one I really fell in love with, I just had to have this. It's gorgeous. Look at it. It's got jewels on it. Yay! It's got beautiful jewels. That's my Paris over there barking at something, growling at something. I don't know what she's growling at. Isn't that beautiful? Yay! And this was on sale for, I believe it says $7.49. Yeah, $7.49. Can you imagine? Gorgeous! So because this one is shorter than these right here, can you see? You probably can't see them, but they're shorter. I'm going to probably put the taller one on the shorter one, and one of the shorter ones on here, and one of the other shorter ones on here. And I haven't figured out where I'm going to put them yet, but they're going to be somewhere that's going to make the room look fabulous. So yeah, these are my little hauls, and hey, I just noticed the clip that I wear in my hair all the time when I'm putting my hair extensions in. I clip up my hair to hold the other hair out of the way. It kind of matches that. That's funny. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this little tiny haul. And I just wanted to get something up for you. And I've been meaning to show you these shoes for a couple weeks now. I've had them for a few weeks. So I've been meaning to make this video. So finally I did, and not just that, but I've got news about the LA trip that I'm going to be putting the vlog up. It was a lot of fun, so I just want to say hey to all my Silver Sisters out there that might watch this. I had a blast getting to know y'all, and yeah, and Victoria Marie, thank you so much for allowing us to be a part of this, and it was a lot of fun. You made us all feel very comfortable. Thank you so much. And I will be putting a link somewhere down in the description box below where you can go check out all the information for Gray is the New Blonde, and also I'll put Victoria Marie's YouTube channel down here somewhere too. Alrighty, so I'm going to go ahead and put all this away, and then I'll come back and say goodbye to y'all. Alright? So yay, wasn't that fun? And weren't those bargains? I love a good bargain. Yay! I hope you enjoyed those two little hauls from Payless and from Ross. And I wanted to let you know that I am going to be putting up a vlog really soon of my LA trip. So yeah, I'll be putting all that together, and I'll be uploading that here within the next couple of days. Alright, so that'll be the next video that you see from me. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves, and don't forget to love everyone you come in contact with. Alrighty guys, I love you. Mwah.
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.